Okay, let's get started. So today we will discuss about how can two computer or two site can pass message in very secured manner. So one type of solution of these types of security is cryptography. So the concept of cryptography means it is used to protecting private information against unauthorized access in those situations where it is difficult to provide physical security. So the basic concept of cryptography means it always provides security in those situations where it is very difficult to provide physical security. So by using this cryptography technique, two site or two computer can pass their confidential data in very secured manner. So first of all, we have to know that what are the basic concept in behind cryptography. So first of all, we have to know the two terms. One is encryption and another is decryption technique. So first of all, what happened? At first, client or sender sent some text or confidential data to its receiver. So at first, client, when someone is waiting, no. So at first, when client want to send some text or confidential data to its receiver, at first it use encryption key for encrypt the message. So the concept of encryption is nothing but it converts an intangible information to an unintangible information. So intangible information is called plain text and unintangible information which is called the ciphertext. So at first, client encrypt its message. Message is nothing but here called the plain text, and the receiver uses another key which is called the decryption key. By using this key, user can decrypt the message. Concept of decryption is nothing but it converts or transforms an unintangible data to an intangible data. So basically these two techniques which is included in cryptography. First of all, encryption, and another one is called the decryption. So here you can see some mathematical function in encryption technique. So the function is cap C equals to capital E within first bracket P comma KE. What is the meaning of that? C represents ciphertext, E represents the encryption technique caps E, and within function there is P comma KE. The meaning of this is plain text, P stands for plain text and KE stands for encryption key. So at first, encryption key acts some performance on plain text, and then plain text will convert to the ciphertext. So that is why this ciphertext is nothing but P comma KE, and this technique is called encryption technique. So that is why encryption is represented by caps E. Now, after encryption, there is another term which is called decryption. So the mathematical function of decryption is here P equals to D within bracket C comma KD. KD represents the decryption key, and this decryption key acts some performance on ciphertext, and ciphertext which is represented by capital C, and this whole technique is called the decryption. So that is the definition of decryption. P equals to D within bracket C comma D. So after decryption, again ciphertext will transform into the plain text. So there are two processes in encryption in cipher cryptography technique. First of all, it converts plain text to the ciphertext, and this process is called the encryption, and again this ciphertext converted into the plain text, and this process is called the decryption. So by this way, two computer or two sides can pass their private message or confidential data in very secure way. So here one information, that is, we can see that decryption is nothing but the inverse of encryption function. So here you can see the mathematical relation between encryption and decryption policy. So here you can see P equals to D within bracket E P comma KE comma KD. So here we just replaced C by its original function, that is E within bracket P comma KE. So it is nothing but the inverse of encryption policy. So these are the pictorial representation of encryption decryption technique in cryptography. So first of all, what happened? Say there are two computers. So at first computer wants to send some information to its neighbor or another computer. So at first it uses encryption key, which is represented by KE, and after encryption technique, its original message it converts into the ciphertext, and this ciphertext pass through very insecure channel. So there is insecure channel between these two computers, and after encryption there is another computer which holds decryption key, which is represented by KD, and by using this key this computer decrypt the ciphertext, and then ciphertext again converts into its original message, which is called the plain text. So that is the pictorial representation. So here there is two terms in cryptography. First one is symmetric and second one is asymmetric crypto system. So what is the concept of symmetric crypto system? See, in this type of crypto system, two party, that is sender and receiver, always use the same key. Means in cryptography there are two keys. First one is encryption key and another one is decryption key, and encryption key is represented by KE and decryption key is represented by KD. And in concept of symmetric crypto system, always sender and receiver uses same type of key for encryption and decryption the message. So that is the concept of symmetric crypto system. And in asymmetric crypto system, encryption key and decryption key is different in nature. So that is the difference between symmetric and asymmetric crypto system. In symmetric crypto system, encryption key and decryption key is always same, and in asymmetric crypto system, encryption key, which is represented by KE, and decryption key, which is represented by KD, is always different in nature. Now, our next topic of discussion is how can two computer or two site establish a communication link between themselves when they want to pass a very secure information between each other. So how can they build a communication channel or communication link between themselves? By using this cryptography technique. So here we take two computer or two client or two system. So first system, which is represented by capital A, and second system or second computer, which is represented by capital B. And these two computer want to pass a very confidential data between each other. So how they can build a communication link between them. So here there are 4 points or 4 steps by which they can establish a communication link. So first of all, what happened? Entity A means first computer, post a encryption key of a public key crypto system. So this point says at first computer or entity A post the encryption key to the public, and this encryption key is viewed by everyone, means an unauthorized person can also see these types of encryption key, because this encryption key is now in public in nature. So that is the first step. Second step says entity B or second computer uses A's public key, means first computer's public key, to encrypt its messages. So here entity B uses A's public key or encryption key, and by using this key B can convert its plain text into ciphertext, which is called the encryption technique. Now entity A decrypt B's messages using the decryption key, and mind it, this decryption key is not public, it is private, and this decryption key is only known by two parties, entity A and entity B. So in third step, entity A use its decryption key, which is called the KD, and by using this key and by using this key A can convert this ciphertext into its original plain text, which is called the decryption policy. Now at last the fourth step says both A and B now can safely communicate with each other, and these types of crypto system is known as symmetric crypto system. So by using these four steps, two client or two computer can communicate with each other in very secure way. So that is the end of our today's class. So today we have discussed about cryptography, and in cryptography there are two terms. First one is called the encryption and another is called the decryption, and we have also discussed about that decryption technique is nothing but the inverse of encryption technique, and there are two terms which is very important in cryptography system, that is symmetric and asymmetric crypto system. In symmetric crypto system, two parties always use same types of key, means encryption and decryption key is always same in symmetric crypto system policy, but in asymmetric crypto system policy encryption key and decryption key is different in nature. And at last we have discussed about how can two computer or two site establish a communication link between themselves and pass a very confidential data between each other.